Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize vision insurance with EyeMed, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the basics of your EyeMed vision insurance policy. Review the specific benefits included in your plan. Identify the types of eye care services covered, such as exams and eyewear. Check if you have any copays or deductibles. Locate a list of in-network providers for maximum benefits. Visit the EyeMed website or app to search for nearby providers. Schedule an eye exam with an in-network doctor. Prepare for your appointment by gathering necessary information. Bring your insurance card and any previous optical prescriptions. During the exam, communicate any vision concerns to your eye care professional. Ask about the types of eyewear allowances you can utilize. Understand your options for contact lenses versus glasses. Inquire about additional discounts for specific brands or styles. After the exam, review your coverage for eyewear purchases. Choose your eyewear based on the allowance provided by EyeMed. Utilize any discounts available through your plan. If you have ongoing vision issues, consider follow-up visits covered under your plan. Keep track of your expenses to ensure you maximize your benefits. Check for any annual limits on services or products. Plan ahead for future exams and eyewear needs. Stay informed about any changes to your insurance plan or coverage policies. Regularly review your vision care needs to optimize future benefits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.